Greetings again from the beach that gave me the most viewed video on YouTube. Almost 1.5 million views from this magical naked beach in Nacka. And now when I was entering this small Udde, or peninsula as it is called, they have taken off the sign that says naked beach or nakenbad in Swedish. So yeah, it's now definitely a spontaneous one and not an official one in that sense. And it's definitely a beautiful spot. Now this is not my first swim for today, as I already went to Erstaviksbadet, which is on the sea, beautiful sandy beach, but on the way back I thought to make one more swim, as it is a beautiful sunny day and currently 15 degrees Celsius in the air and almost no wind here where I am right now. From Erstaviksbadet to here, 8.5 kilometers in mostly 90% it was off-road, which my gravel bike is made for. But I kind of have always bad feeling when riding off-road, as I really don't want to get a flat tire, so I really hope I don't jinx it now when I say that. Yesterday I was looking for bicycles actually, and I saw one racer. It was quite expensive, so I decided not to buy it. And let's see, maybe I can wait for the autumn sales. This is Udde, mentioned as it is, and on the other end we have Hellas Gordon, where there is a also sauna that people can take sauna before and after they dip in the lake Källtorp. And by the way, I need to measure also the temperature in the water before going in. But it is so amazing for sure. And now I wonder, where is my water thermometer? Here it is. And I just love when the entry to the beach is quite easy and visible also. You can see that through the water. And 15 degrees in the air, and we're gonna find out in a bit the temperature in the lake Källtorp while I show you more. I'm a bit curious on that island. I need to swim to there someday, one of these days, and explore it also. Okay, let's see what we have. We have 12 degrees Celsius. Yes, the lakes now are warmer than the sea. We are coming at those time of the year. Now let's go in for another swim in the lake. I mean, the second swim for today, but the first one in the lake Källtorp. I have been here before my Mallorca trip. I was then on the other side. It was nice, but now the sun is facing directly here, which is perfect. Yes, naked beach, nakenbad as it is, and let's go in for a dip together. It's so amazing, such an amazing feeling to have this nature here and to live so close by. From here I'm gonna have only 8 kilometers of cycling to get home, which is also quite luxurious, I must say. Okay, yes, beach day number 21 is today, and Chris is at Källtorpsjön at Vegas, Udde, known as Naked Beach, Nakenbad. So yeah, let's then go in for a dip together. Let's see. Once here I have gotten some pain in my knees, so I need to be careful when I go in here. Okay, ready, set, and go! it's not that cold actually. I can probably take a swim also longer here later. It's quite convenient. 12 degrees, was it? It's quite convenient. Beautiful. All right, so it's time for me to enjoy a bit more in this beautiful nature. And while I give you a panoramic 360 view of my view right now, and wrapping up today's second beach vlog. Today I have visited both the sea and one of the many lakes in Stockholm. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.